Meet the EVOLUNA iSize 2 car seat and see how to fit it. Remember not to fit it on a seat with an active front airbag. Start by unlocking the base. To do that, pull on this handle. Install the base by sliding the connectors onto the Isofix attachments until they lock. The base is correctly locked in place when green indicators appear on both sides. Now set up the support leg. Extend it all the way to the floor of the vehicle and adjust it until it locks. That's it. Use the guide bar lever to slide the base and fit the seat in the desired position. Place the seat so that the locking bars fit in the grooves in the base. Check for the green indicators on the front and sides. Switch between the sitting and lying positions using the carrying handle. It is recommended that the child travel in the lying position. Select the position and move the base as close as possible to the back of the seat. For the sitting position, move the seat away from the backrest, change the handle position, then move the seat back. Always remember to move the seat back. The side guards on the handle are another safety feature. The guard on the inside may be removed without compromising safety, like this. However, only remove the guard on the door side when absolutely necessary due to limited space. The EVOLUNA iSize 2 also has a newborn insert. Its modular design guarantees a perfect fit for a child's height and weight. To remove it, first remove the side sections. Then undo the buckle and remove the headrest section, separating it from the safety straps. The safety harness can be adjusted in 5 different positions. First, move the seat handle to the upright position. Then press the button under the cover and loosen the shoulder straps. To adjust the harness, open the cover on the back of the seat. Push here. Turn the adjustment clasp 90 degrees clockwise and pull it outwards. Now move the handle up or down, depending on your child's height. The correct position for the straps depends on the child's shoulders. Then lock the clasp by turning it anti-clockwise and close the cover. Once the straps are adjusted to the child's height, adjust them to their body shape. Place the shoulder straps above their shoulders and clip the plastic parts into the buckle. Finally, pull the belt to make sure everything fits snugly around the child's body. To remove the car seat, pull the release handle on the base. Removing the base itself is just as simple. Tighten the locking buttons and pull them forwards to release the connectors from the Isofix anchors. Unlock the leg and fold the support under the base. The seat can be mounted a pushchair frame to create a convenient travel system. When using it, you can choose between a sitting or lying position. To remove the EVOLUNA iSize 2, use these buttons. Remember that the seat cover can be removed for washing. When doing so, Pay attention to the buckles at the back of the seat. These will allow you to remove the strap protectors. If you have any doubts, see the printed instructions in the storage compartment or contact us at www.kiddy.com.
Kiddy. Engineered with love.